Hi guys, welcome to the Automation Works Logo PLC training series. In this module, we'll be covering how to download and install the LogoSoft software. Now we're going to download the LogoSoft software. And what you will need to do is open up a web browser, and in the web browser, go to Google and type in Siemens LogoSoft Demo. You select the top one, new.siemens.com, Logo Software. And then on this page, you'll scroll down to the demo software and you choose Windows 64-bit. When you click download, the file will download, and once it's complete, we will then cover the installation process. Okay. Once the file is downloaded, you have to find where you've stored it, and you double click the setup icon. You click yes. You click OK. Accept. You choose a folder where you want to install it. And you click install. You click yes, install the driver package. Next, I accept. Next, install. Finish. Install. OK. And then select Start LogoSoft Comfort. Done. You can close the help. And here you have LogoSoft Comfort installed, up and running. Thank you for tuning in for the first module of this Logo PLC training series. Join me for Module 2, where we'll be covering the connection to the PLC.